we got the call that it's in Lansing where we are. So hopefully we get a call that that's ready to go.
Yeah, I think it's more than 14.
Well, we got it under the truck. That's a good start. We found the neutral safety switch didn't come with it, which I should have known. The other one's rusted on, so we got a new one of those ordered. This comes with a new fluid bypass line, which is good. Ours was rotted out. We're going to take these two brackets off here that keep the torque converter from falling out during transport. Take those off before we get it up any higher. We'll put those on the transmission going back as a core. So yeah, this is how we found out the other transmission wasn't correct. We went to plug it in, and the connector would not plug in. So, the moment of truth. I didn't hear a click. Why isn't it clicking? Oh, that's right. Somebody's been in here before and broke all the connectors. That's why. But it plugs in, so that's a fine start.
All right, here we go.
All right. Yeah, there you go. Okay, jack her up. Okay, hold up. Okay, push her forward. Oh, dude, we are so close. Start with the long one just to help get it lined up, and then we'll start it. Oh, my bolt came out. I didn't even realize that. That's perfect. Whoa, hey. How are you? What's he called, a nosy cameraman? Look, transmission is not only here, it's in the truck. It's actually going pretty well. We still have quite a ways to go, but transfer case is on. It's much easier to get to all of these bolts. This one's actually covered up by the mount. So we got transfer case in. It's easier with it in this position. He's going to get the shifter mounted to the side of the transmission.
Which actually I've got the two bolts in, threaded in hand tight, and we're hooked up to our actual shifter lever.
Yeah.
We don't have our neutral safety switch yet. That's supposed to be in at like about 4 o'clock, which is about an hour from now. And then we'll run and grab that and get it on.
So we'll get that shifter on the side, we'll get it up, get the mount in place, get the whole transmission cross member in, we'll get to the torque converter bolts, which are the 6 bolts that go through the flywheel, and then get the starter in, and we'll be real close to putting drive shafts in and putting transmission fluid in and driving. Today we actually feel pretty productive. We got quite a bit of work done on the green truck. Got the intercooler pipe done, got the starter on, got some of the other little knickknacks done. We got a call about 12:30. Transmission was in for the red truck. So we buzzed into town, grabbed the transmission, and we slammed that thing in. About 2 hours is all it took us to get that transmission in. AJ just got done putting a new neutral safety switch on it. We did start it already, didn't think about having the camera on to do that. That would have been smart. But got to warm it up, get the fluid all topped up. It does move forward and back. We already tried that. So we're going to top the fluid off and go for a test drive.
Is it good to have a truck back?
Yeah, as long as it's working. Hopefully. I like that we're gripping something. Should we take it down the road?
Maybe just a tad high, but we're good. Very happy. We took it for a test drive. It runs and drives great. Shifts are much better. Feels really good and solid. Unfortunately, our noise is still there. One of the things we were chasing. I think the rear end's gone. It got underneath it. There's quite a bit of pinion play in it. But productive. We got the truck done, went out and drove it. Everything is good. You're shivering. That's kind of...
Yes, it's cool.
We got intercooler piping done. We got starter in. What else? Oh, we got the lower water inlet done. And for stopping halfway through the day to put a transmission in this truck, I actually feel productive today. Today feels amazing. AJ feels better because he's not down 3 trucks. So
We're good. Now, the next project is the red truck is going to tow the white truck back, the F450, so we can pull that transmission and find out if we need a new flywheel and what else. Which, did you get the flywheel today?
Oh, nope. That's fine.
But yeah, we got a broken flywheel on the 6.4, and we're gonna pull it and find out what else is broken and what caused it, and hopefully we'll only be one truck down, and that's the green truck. So very happy with today. Until next time.
Cool. Like, share, subscribe.
Stay tuned.
DP swaps.